Hello dreamers. Welcome back to Dreamworld Secrets. Today, we're exploring one of the most mysterious and often misunderstood dreams, dreaming about intimacy or sexual encounters. What does it truly mean when such dreams appear? General meaning: dreams about intimacy are not always about physical desire. They often represent emotional connection, unity, and the integration of your inner self. Such dreams can reflect deep emotional needs, personal growth, or even hidden stress. Dreaming of intimacy with a partner: if you dream of being intimate with your spouse or partner, it usually carries a positive meaning. It reflects harmony, love, and emotional balance in your life. It can also symbolize good news or personal fulfillment. Dreaming of intimacy with a stranger. Dreaming of being intimate with someone you don't know may suggest curiosity, emotional longing, or an unfulfilled part of your personality seeking expression. It can also signal new beginnings or the need to explore your own feelings more deeply. Dreaming of intimacy with the same gender. Such dreams often symbolize emotional healing or reconciliation. They may reflect self-acceptance or balance between masculine and feminine energies within you. It's not necessarily about sexuality, but about unity and inner peace. Dreaming of watching others being intimate. This type of dream can reveal curiosity or discomfort about situations in your life that don't align with your personal values. It can also reflect judgment or observation of other people's behavior around you. Psychological view. From a psychological perspective, intimacy dreams often mirror inner conflicts or emotional suppression. They may appear when your subconscious wants you to pay attention to neglected feelings, desires, or relationships. So dreamers, intimacy dreams aren't just about romance, they're about emotional connection, self-discovery, and the search for harmony. If you've experienced a dream like this, share your story in the comments, and let's uncover its meaning together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dreamworld Secrets for more dream insights and interpretations.